Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some pretty good money selling free ebooks on a site that you're probably familiar with. Alright, so you're going to stick around and see this video here. It won't be long, and we'll get started on here right quick. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner here with the Freedom Motivator channel on YouTube, and if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and still haven't yet subscribed, now reach down there right now while you're thinking about it, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Okay. Also, what we're going to do is come over here now and get started on this here, and I'm going to click on my Brave browser here, and we're going to start here with the site that we're going to sell the ebooks from, and then I'm going to show you where you can get all the ebooks that you want for free on 3 different sites. And by the way, this is all 100% free to do and can be done pretty much anywhere in the world. If you have access to Fiverr, you should be able to do this. Now, what we're going to be doing here today is, in this video here, we're going to be talking about make money online ebooks. Okay, so for example, we come here to Fiverr, and if we typed make money online, right, into their search engine here, and then put ebooks, make money online ebooks, you see there, and if I press enter, it brings us over here, and you see there's lots of people that are selling ebooks on Fiverr. And if you notice right here, let me see if I can get my magnifier up here, and if you notice right here on this particular site, there's only 409 people in the world that are offering this service. So it's a pretty open market right here on Fiverr to do this, offer this type of service right here. So you can see that there's quite a few people, as I said here, that are offering ebooks, and there's a lot of people that offer, you know, hundreds and thousands of ebooks at one time for a certain price, and there's people that offer just like one ebook at a time. So for example, this person right here says, I'll send you 10 ebooks to make money online, charging $5 for that. And this person here, I will offer 6,000 affiliate marketing PLR articles and 50 PLR ebooks and 20 videos for $5. And so there's some people that are only selling one ebook at a time, which you can do. For example, this one right here, this one, if we click on it, this person says, I will provide 19 ways to earn ebook with resale rights. And you can see it's just one ebook, and they've got several different pictures of it and so on and so forth, and it's only they're only charging $5 for that. And so you can do one ebook, you can do 10 ebooks, you can do 50, 100, 1,000, whatever you want to do to sell your ebooks on this Fiverr site here. Now what you want to do is, when you come to Fiverr, you're going to create a gig. And we'll just use this one as an example. But what you want to do is click on Become a Seller here, up here at the top right. And it brings you to this page, and you can just click on Become a Seller here. Now, I'm not signed in, so I'm going to assume that you don't have an account on Fiverr, but you can click right here on Become a Seller, and it brings this up right here, and you can sign up with your Facebook account, your Google account, or you can do with Apple ID account, or create a local account right on Fiverr right here. Now then, once you get logged in, which by the way, you want to check your email, because they may send you an email confirmation. It's been a long time ago since I signed up here, so I can't quite remember whether they did or they didn't, but just check, keep your eyes open for that. Okay, and then you want to click on Become a Seller again, and it's going to walk you through about 5 to 6 pages to set up your gig. All right, and what you want to do is, you want to take someone like this, pick any one you want, and you just want to model your gig after their gig. All right, here, this person here talks about that 19 different ways to earn. It's a 37-page ebook, and it tells a little bit about it, and so on and so forth. You want to tell a little bit about yourself as the seller, and then you can create your packages. You can have like a basic package maybe, and a standard and a premium for, you know, maybe selling more books, like, you know, one ebook for $5 and another one that'll sell, give them 25 ebooks for 10, and 100 or 1,000 ebooks for 15 or 20 bucks. You can have different levels of packages, possibly if you want. I'm not sure, but you should be able to do that. I think most of the gigs you create on Fiverr, you can have different packages: basic, standard, and premium. But for this one here only has the one. But nevertheless, you want to model your gig after someone else's like this. And the one thing you want to do is you'll make sure that you put some related tags that have to do with ebooks and making money online on your gig. So because this will help you rank your gig up in the Google search engine as well as on Fiverr as well here too. So you want to make sure you use relevant or related tags on your gig that you create. So after you give your gig a good title here, and you put some pictures in there and so on and so forth, and tell about it and get your gig all set up. Now, where are you going to get these ebooks, right? Remember I told you this is all for free, right? Well, you can come over to this site right here, and you can come over here to idplr.com, and you can get free ebooks here. If you notice, I've already typed in, looking at that other ebook there, but if we type in Make Money Online here and do a search, it should bring us up with a bunch of ebooks that have to do with making money online here. It's just kind of spinning right now. I'll just let this spin and load. Also, you can also come over here to this site right here, a free PLR download. You see it up here? Come over there and you can type in their search engine, if we type Make Money Online, and you want to make sure that the ebooks that you're getting are pretty good quality ebooks. So you want to overlook the ebook that you download to use or to sell to your customer. You make sure it's a good quality ebook and offers, a good quality method to help them make money. Because it's going to be a win-win-win situation here. So anyways, we come back to idplr.com. You see it right here, and I typed in Make Money, and you can see there's all kinds of different ebooks down through here that have to do with internet marketing and making money online, which you can use to sell, and these are all free downloads. It comes with the e-covers, the ebook covers, and comes with the PDF, which is the ebook, and you can sell these on Fiverr for free here. And then what you want to do too is you can come over here on free PLR downloads, and you see I typed in Make Money Online in the search engine here, and you see it brings all kinds of Make Money Online ebooks here that you can download as well and use to sell to your customers on Fiverr. These are all free downloads as well. Just like I said, just want to make sure it's good quality ebook that you're going to sell. And then another website that you can come to also is Resell Rights Weekly. You see it up here in this address bar. It's resell-rights-weekly.com. Two of these sites you'll need to sign up for. This is one of them, Resell Rights and IDPLR. You'll need to sign up for too, and they'll have a sign up. It's all free to sign up to these two. The free PLR downloads, there is no sign up on this account or this site here. There's no account that you need to fill out and sign up for. You just simply start searching for your ebooks and download as many as you want from this website here. So these other two, IDPLR and Resell Rights Weekly, you can sign up for free. Now, the thing about Resell Rights Weekly is when you sign up and get logged in, they will want you to upgrade to their gold membership that you see right here. They'll want you to upgrade to that. Then they give you a free trial of $1. You don't need that. You just want to come into the site and come to this point right here and click on free member downloads you see right here. And then when that brings you over here and you see all these different months through here, and it goes way back for several years, and you can find as many free Make Money Online ebooks on here. For example, we'll just click on this March 2020 here, and you can see right here is one, Internet Marketing for Stay-at-Home Moms, the most effective marketing for the least investment, and so on and so forth. Anything to do here, you can search these out and find all kinds of free PLR, which stands for Public Label Rights ebooks, that allows you to resell them and make money off of these ebooks as much as you want without cost or any legal copyright issues. Okay, so yeah, just make sure you come over here to this site, Resell Weekly, get signed up, ignore the upgrade to gold, come past that and come and click on free member downloads. And the same thing over here, there is nothing. You just start searching on freeplrdownloads.com and then ID PLR. You will have to sign up for there. Make sure you check also for a email confirmation if they may send you one for these. I've already joined these quite a while back and can't remember again whether they do or not, so it's just something you want to keep an eye out for. And then all you do is just offer to sell those on your gig on Fiverr like these other people are doing here. And like I said, there's only 409 people doing this, so it's a pretty wide open market. Now let me address this. I've had people before, because I've showed you guys other ways to sell free ebooks online, okay, in other videos, and I get people that ask me the question, why would someone want to buy these ebooks when they can just go get them for free just like you, right? Well, that's a good question. But there's one sensible answer here for this. And we're just going to use Fiverr as an example here, okay? So if I come up here and I click on my Similar Web extension right here at the top of the browser, and I click on that and it brings it out, and I scroll this up, you see, guys, here that Fiverr gets 55 million visitors per month. See that? So it's a safe bet to say that out of the billions of people on the internet today, it's a safe bet to say that wouldn't you think that at least 1 million, that's pretty conservative, isn't it? 1 million people don't know on the internet that you can go and get these ebooks for free yourself. I would venture to say that it's way more than just 1 million. Probably multiple millions of people don't have no clue that they can get these ebooks for free. So they come over to Fiverr, they know about Fiverr, and they start searching around, and they do a little search on ebooks for anything. They might just even type in ebooks and be able to find this here, and they can find the ebooks they're looking for, particularly like making money online, if that's what they're interested in, and find your gig and buy off of you for $5 or whatever you set your price at, right? So you see, it's okay to do this because not everybody in the world knows that you can get free PLR ebooks online. Only you and I know that, right? Okay? Alrighty, guys, well, that's the method I have for you today. Pretty easy, pretty simple method. It's all 100% free. Should be able to be done anywhere in the world. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And if you have a online business idea in affiliate marketing that you'd like to get set up, but you're not real sure how to do that, what you want to do is reach down there in the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over at the top of my funnel there, put your email address in, come through the back of my funnel and see what's available there for you to help you get your online business set up in a short amount of time for profitability and success online. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to leave you with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day now. Bye-bye.